Welcome to Lucy Muse YouTube News, and sorry then, I was just trying to remember some measurements because this time it's plasterboarding. I've got to measure a tiny bit of plasterboard, which is basically going to fit on a bit that we haven't finished off yet. I'm going to cut the length of it first. Got my angle thing, set square. Just a set square. I know what it's called. I just like calling things by my little names. Anyway, so that's my 71 done. So, never cut towards you, always cut away from you, and don't have your fingers too close either, because that's a really stupid thing to do. And Ellie's in the background because she's doing some of the horrible jobs like the installation. Here's one I scored earlier. Do that. Okay, got a nice little slit down the side. Now, I'm going to break my rule now, and I'm going to cut towards me, aren't I? But it's alright. Right, it's going to move now when I do this bit as well. Oh, I'll cut the stick. Shit. God. Super strength. 18 by 71. Now I'm going to try and plonk it on the wall and screw it in place, and it'll probably fit. It's really safe, and it's definitely going to work. It fits! Woohoo! I'm going to screw it in now and get on with the rest of the job and stop faffing about. So see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.